Hey yo, what up? This is ZK Zimbabwe Kid, and you are tuned in to Music Premiere Saturdays with Zimbabwe Kid for Zimbabwe Kid exclusives. Today's been really busy for your boy, so I haven't had time to really, do something complete. But I will throw in this verse that I did a while back. It's on my dude's album, rapper, singer, rocker, poet, Heroprosity, and the name of the song is called Hari Hari, and this is my verse on it. So y'all check it out, y'all enjoy your weekend. It's Premiere Saturdays, Zimbabwe Kid, ZIMBONEXUS.
That's just the way it is. These peppers know what's out in my game, speaking bad on my name, trying to stick my Ricky J.
Pursue happiness, peace, stay on your child of sorrow. Passing your devil, try to hate me so I don't see my tomorrow. Keep having thoughts of me, I elevate my lyrical thesis. I stop the rim, open the door, go in the circus no more. Make sure you wish harder, while I'ma sleep better. Figuring just by myself, cheese on the menu and platter. Assassinate your emotions so you can get down to business. I thought I know that it be passion, the blood of the driven. I'm trying to make it a living, that's why I'm lacking my slipping. And if you hate and stand behind me, then you can kiss my black butt. Keep your cynic confused, try to sick my every move while I'm, well, I'm Z and I stay me, label me whatever. Keep in mind that I'll still be here with my Ricky James. Why she live for me? I live for her.
If you despise me, you don't have to like me. That's just the way it is. These rebels know what's out in my game, speaking bad on my name, trying to stick my Ricky James. If you despise me, you don't have to like me. That's just the way it is. These rebels know what's out in my game, speaking